keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Welcome back, dear students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 3, Subject English, topic at the bottom of the ocean. Let's see what is there at the bottom of the ocean. What is there under the sea? That all things we are going to see in this lesson. So let's start our lesson at the bottom of the ocean. The sea is very deep. There are many plants and animals in the sea. Some of them are very small. We cannot see them with our eyes. There are fishes, turtles, and many strange and beautiful animals in the sea. The largest of all animals is the blue whale. It lives in the sea. There are many different types of plants in the sea. In some places, there are so many that it is like an underwater forest. A very big sea is called an ocean. If we go deep down in the ocean, there is no sunlight. It is dark and quiet. The bottom of the ocean is known as ocean floor. The ocean floor is not flat. Just as we see mountains and valleys and plains on land, there are mountains and plains and also deep trenches in the ocean floor. When the top of such a mountain rises out of ocean water, it forms an island. You can see these things in the picture below. Students, as we go deep down in the ocean, we will see at the bottom of the ocean there is a ocean floor. The ocean floor is not flat. Just as we see mountains and valleys and plains on land, same way we can see all these things under the ocean also at the ocean floor. Now just see this. This is an island. Island is a land area which is surrounded by water from all the sides. So basically when the top of mountain rises out of ocean water, it forms an island. Now just have a look on this picture. Here you will see plains, land, trench, mountains and island. Trenches means long deep narrow holes at the bottom of the ocean. Plain means a large area of flat land. So students, today we have learned about at the bottom of the ocean. Through this lesson we come to know that there are many plants and animals in the sea. Some of them are very small and some of them are very big. Blue whale is the largest of all animals and it lives in the sea. The length of blue whale is near about 29.9 meters and the weight of blue whale is near about 173 tons. It is the largest animal known to have ever existed. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep learning new things every day. Enjoy your learning. See you soon.